Perfect. Let's start with my morning routine expanded into a full, fluent passage for speaking practice. Every morning, I wake up early when the sun rises. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and take a few deep breaths to feel fresh and awake. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I get dressed in my school uniform or comfortable clothes. Breakfast is very important for me, so I sit at the dining table and eat something healthy, like toast with jam, eggs, or fruits. I always drink a glass of water or milk with my meal. While I eat, I sometimes talk with my family about the plans for the day. After finishing breakfast, I pack my school bag carefully, making sure I have everything I need. By the time I leave for school, I feel ready, energetic, and happy to start a new day. Great. Here's going to school expanded for fluent speaking practice. Every morning, after finishing my morning routine, I leave home to go to school. I either walk or take the school bus, depending on the weather. On the way, I see many familiar things that make the journey interesting. I pass by shops, trees, and houses, and sometimes I see my friends walking to school too. Birds are singing in the trees, and occasionally, I see a cat or dog playing on the street. I enjoy greeting my neighbors and waving at them as I pass. The air is fresh, and the morning sun feels warm on my face. Thinking about the day ahead makes me excited. By the time I reach school, I feel awake, happy, and ready to learn new things with my teachers and friends. Great. Here's going to school expanded for fluent speaking practice. When I enter my classroom, I feel happy and ready to learn. My classroom is bright and colorful, with posters and charts on the walls. There are rows of desks where my friends sit, and at the front, our teacher stands near the blackboard. I like my seat because I can see the board clearly and also talk to my friends during group activities. During lessons, I listen carefully to the teacher and take notes in my notebook. Sometimes, we do fun activities like drawing, reading, or solving puzzles together. I enjoy sharing ideas and helping my classmates when they have questions. My classroom is not just a place to study, it is a place where I learn new things, make friends, and feel comfortable. By the end of the day, I always feel proud of what I have learned and excited to come back tomorrow. Here's playtime in school expanded for fluent speaking practice. Playtime at school is my favorite part of the day. When the bell rings, all the students rush outside to the playground. The sun is shining, and the fresh air makes everyone feel happy. I usually play games like tag, football, or hide and seek with my friends. Sometimes, we take turns on the swings or slides, and I love feeling the wind on my face as I swing high. During playtime, we laugh a lot, share snacks, and help each other in games. Even if someone falls or makes a mistake, we encourage each other and keep having fun. Playtime is not just for fun, it also helps me stay active, strong, and healthy. After the break, I go back to class feeling energized, cheerful, and ready to learn again. Here's after-school activities expanded for fluent speaking practice. After coming home from school, I spend some time on my favorite after-school activities. Sometimes, I like to read storybooks or comics that make me imagine exciting adventures. Other times, I do my homework or practice subjects I find a little difficult so that I can improve. I also enjoy hobbies like drawing, painting, or playing a musical instrument. When I spend time doing these activities, I feel happy, relaxed, and proud of myself. Sometimes, I play games with my siblings or friends, and we laugh and have a lot of fun together. After finishing my activities, I feel ready for the evening, energized, and excited to enjoy the rest of the day with my family. Here's topic 6 evening walk expanded for fluent speaking practice. In the evening, I usually go for a walk around my neighborhood. The weather is cool and pleasant, and the fresh air makes me feel calm and happy. As I walk, I see my neighbors returning home from work or talking to each other. The streets are lined with tall trees, and their leaves make a soft rustling sound when the wind blows. I often notice birds flying from branch to branch, singing sweet songs. Sometimes, I stop to watch a squirrel running up a tree or a dog playing with its owner. The best part of my walk is seeing the sunset. The sky turns shades of orange, pink, and purple, creating a peaceful and beautiful view. Walking in the evening helps me relax, think about my day, and feel refreshed and ready for my evening activities. Here's helping at home expanded for fluent speaking practice. At home, I like to help my parents with small tasks because it makes me feel responsible and useful. Sometimes, I help by cleaning my room, arranging my books, or organizing my toys. Other times, I help in the kitchen by washing vegetables, setting the table, or helping prepare simple snacks. I also help my younger siblings with their homework or play with them when they feel bored. While helping, I learn new skills and feel proud that I am making my home a better place. Helping at home also brings my family closer together because we share tasks and support each other. After finishing my chores, I feel happy, satisfied, and ready to relax or continue with my hobbies. Here's shopping with family expanded for fluent speaking practice. Sometimes, I go shopping with my family, and I really enjoy these trips. We visit the market or shops to buy vegetables, fruits, snacks, or other things we need at home. I like looking at all the colorful fruits and fresh vegetables, and sometimes I help my parents pick the best ones. We also visit other stores to buy clothes, books, or small gifts. While shopping, I watch people around, notice new things, and learn how to make choices carefully. My parents teach me how to check prices and pick good quality items. Shopping together is fun because we talk, laugh, and sometimes even treat ourselves to a small snack. After finishing the shopping, I feel happy, proud to help, and excited to come home and share what we bought. Here's birthday celebration expanded for fluent speaking practice. Birthdays are very special, and I always enjoy celebrating them with my family and friends. On my birthday, I wake up feeling excited and happy. My family decorates the house with balloons, ribbons, and colorful banners. We prepare a delicious cake, and sometimes there are snacks and sweets for everyone. My friends come to join the celebration, and we play fun games, sing songs, and laugh together. When it's time to cut the cake, I make a wish and blow out the candles, feeling joyful and grateful. Receiving gifts from my family and friends is always exciting, but the best part is spending time with everyone and making happy memories. After the celebration, I feel loved, cheerful, and full of energy. Here's visiting a park expanded for fluent speaking practice. On weekends or holidays, I love visiting a nearby park with my family or friends. The park is full of green trees, colorful flowers, and open spaces where people come to relax and play. I enjoy walking on the paths, feeling the soft grass under my feet, and listening to the birds singing in the trees. Sometimes, I play on the swings, slides, or climbing frames, and I laugh a lot while having fun. I also like watching small animals, like squirrels or butterflies, moving around in the park. Visiting the park makes me feel peaceful, happy, and close to nature. After spending time there, I feel refreshed, energetic, and excited to go back home and share my experiences with my family. Here's weekend fun expanded for fluent speaking practice. Weekends are my favorite time of the week because I get to relax and have fun. On Saturdays and Sundays, I wake up without worrying about school and enjoy a slow, happy morning. Sometimes, I watch cartoons or my favorite shows on TV. Other times, I play games with my siblings or friends, either indoors or outside. I also like reading storybooks, drawing, or doing small crafts. On special weekends, my family and I go for outings, visit relatives, or watch a movie together. Weekends give me the chance to rest, enjoy my hobbies, and spend quality time with my family. By the end of the day, I feel cheerful, relaxed, and ready for the week ahead. Here's bedtime routine expanded for fluent speaking practice. At night, I follow a bedtime routine that helps me sleep well and feel ready for the next day. First, I take a warm bath or wash my face to feel fresh and clean. Then, I brush my teeth carefully and put on my comfortable pajamas. Sometimes, I spend a few minutes reading a storybook or listening to soft music, which makes me feel calm and relaxed. I also make sure my room is tidy and my bed is ready for sleep. Before closing my eyes, I think about the happy moments of the day and plan a little for tomorrow. Following my bedtime routine helps me sleep peacefully and wake up feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start a new day. Here's celebrating festivals expanded for fluent speaking practice. Celebrating festivals is always a joyful and exciting time for me and my family. During festivals, we decorate our home with colorful lights, flowers, and traditional ornaments. We prepare special sweets, snacks, and meals to share with everyone. Sometimes, we visit relatives and friends to exchange greetings and gifts. I enjoy participating in the festival activities, like singing songs, dancing, or helping in preparing decorations. Festivals bring everyone together, and we laugh, talk, and make happy memories. The best part is feeling the love, warmth, and excitement all around. Celebrating festivals not only makes me happy but also helps me appreciate my culture and traditions. Here's learning something new expanded for fluent speaking practice. I enjoy learning something new because it makes me curious and excited. Sometimes, I try a new craft, like drawing, painting, or making small models. Other times, I learn a new skill, like cooking a simple dish, playing a musical instrument, or solving a tricky puzzle. Learning something new can be challenging at first, but I feel proud and happy when I understand it or complete it successfully. I also like asking questions, reading books, or watching videos to improve my knowledge. Learning new things keeps my mind active, helps me grow, and makes me feel confident. After learning, I feel motivated, excited, and ready to try even more new activities. Here's rainy day expanded for fluent speaking practice. I love rainy days because they feel fresh and exciting. When it starts raining, I enjoy listening to the sound of raindrops falling on the roof and windows. Sometimes, I put on my raincoat and boots and go outside to play in the puddles with my friends or siblings. I love feeling the cool rain on my face and splashing water around. On rainy days, I also enjoy sitting by the window, drinking hot tea or cocoa, and watching the clouds and water flowing on the streets. Rainy days make me feel calm, happy, and relaxed. After the rain stops, the air feels clean, and everything looks green and fresh. A rainy day is always fun and refreshing, and it makes me appreciate nature even more.